Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. Wanted to bring you guys a little video update, an article that I've been reading, looking at, kind of figuring out myself. So if you guys could like, subscribe, all that, I really appreciate it. So guys, this article says up 45% is Bitcoin's price preparing for a bull market. And this is on CoinDesk, is the article that we're looking at here, guys. And it's by Omkar Godbol. And we are currently at $8,196 for Bitcoin. So it says Bitcoin, BTC, 45% month-on-month rally has likely put the leading cryptocurrency on the path to a long-term bull market, technical studies indicate. As of writing, BTC is changing hands at $8,300 on Bitfinex, having clocked a 2-month high of $8,507 on Tuesday. A month ago, it was all gloom and doom in the Bitcoin market as the cryptocurrency had created back-to-back long-term bearish chart patterns in the months of May and June. Consequently, BTC looked primed for a move lower to $5,000. And remember, guys, we were taking some polls, different things like that, and many people were saying that they did believe we were going to hit that $5,000 mark. And me included. I even thought that we potentially could hit that psychological level of 5,000 before we turned the trend like we're doing right now. So that was kind of my thoughts as well. And guys, maybe it'll still happen. We never know, because things can change real fast in this space. So just remember that. And it goes on to continue to say, however, the inverse head and shoulders breakout seen earlier this month confirmed a short-term bearish to bullish trend change. Furthermore, the convincing break above $8,000 seen this week appears to have set the stage for a major bull run. And guys, what we really want to see here is for us to get over the 200-day moving average. It's acting as resistance. We need to get up over it. That's one of the biggest things that we can do right now. And also you can see this kind of trend change here started with this bullish engulfing candle here. And then we had this little run. And guys, if we can get up over this 200 and turn this into support, that's going to be a really big deal, because we've had this over top for so long. You can see that we were over top of it here, and then right around in here it started acting as resistance, and we haven't been over it since. And that was probably, let's see, we fell through it, guys, about in April, March, April time frame, and we haven't been out over top of it. So it is a really big deal if we can get up over top of that. To start with, the pennant breakdown witnessed on June 9th had signaled a revival of the sell-off from the record high of $20,000 reached in December 2017. However, the ensuing sell-off ran out of steam at 5,755, June 24th low, and the subsequent recovery established a falling channel, bearish pattern marked by cycles, which has been breached to the higher side this week. And guys, that's why it's so important. That's what I've really been studying, are basically these market cycles and how they happen in such small time frames to such large time frames, even more than 100 years they can span. But this pattern repeats itself over and over and over, and if you're able to pick these things out, then you have a higher probability of understanding where the market may go. If we have the start of a new trend, or if you feel like we're going to have another leg down, by the things that we're seeing and able to study due to these cycles and these trends. So I really think it's important that the trend is changing, at least in this short term right now. So it's awesome to see. So what we have is an upside break of the 4-month-long falling channel, i.e. a long-term bearish to bullish trend change. And this is what they're showing here, this channel here, guys. Then it says the short-term outlook also remains bullish, as indicated by the rising channel, higher highs and higher lows. Still, there is merit in being cautious, as the above chart also shows a bearish relative strength index, RSI, divergence. And that's what we always want to look at, guys, is that divergence. You can see it here as the price is going up. What's happening with the RSI here? It's losing strength. And guys, the RSI has been up high, overextended. We need that pullback. We need it to cool off a little bit so that we can make another leg up. That's in my opinion, at least. View BTC has likely witnessed a long-term bullish reversal this week. In the short term, BTC may struggle to find a firm foothold above the all-important 200-day moving average hurdle of 8,593, courtesy of overbought conditions. And remember that we talked about that 200-day, guys, right up here, 200-day. acting as resistance. Then it says BTC could revisit the 100-day moving average for support of 7,616 if the bearish RSI divergence seen in the 4-hour chart pushes prices below 7,938, the rising channel support. So guys, you let me know what you feel like. Do you feel like this is just a little short-term trend change and then we're going to have another leg down to maybe that $5,000 range? Or do you feel like this is truly the start of the next run that we're going to have, and we're going to start putting in those higher highs and higher lows, and we're going to continue to make this happen? We're going to climb. So you guys let me know. Put it down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Life's been crazy busy right now, but I'll do all that I can to get back to you. I want to hear your guys' opinions. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for liking and subscribing too.